How much does Adobe Premiere Pro cost? Well, I'm right here on the pricing page of Adobe Premiere. So this is the official Adobe documentation right here. We're going to go through what is involved in this subscription, what you get and the different options that you have. First things first, I do have a link in the video description. Once you click that link, you can get a free trial of Adobe Premiere. You will find yourself on a page like this or a very similar Adobe page, and you can follow the download instructions from there. That's a free trial. You don't pay anything. You can have that 7 days to see if it is the right platform for you. If it is, you can stick around. If not, you can cancel the free trial at any time. So right here, we've got the payment details. You can see that we've got Premiere on its own, and you can see the monthly cost right here. And then they also are offering at the same time Creative Cloud Pro. So this is essentially 20 plus apps. You get everything from Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat Pro, and Premiere is included. So it's 20 plus of the Adobe Creative Suite apps included right here. So they are essentially showing you what you get with the different plans. And it's quite handy, this pricing table. Whenever you're on a pricing page like this, it's always good to see what you do get and what you don't get for each plan. There's some frequently asked questions down here at the bottom. And then that is just for individuals. There is actually pretty good student and teacher discount right now. If you click over here, if you are a student or a teacher, you can get a really good discount right now on the full suite. And then they also have some business options right here, which you can check out if that is you. So yeah, use my link, get that free trial, see if it is the right solution for you. Like I say, you don't pay anything. You can check out the whole platform without any limitations, see if it is for you. If it is, you can stick around, get on a paid plan from Adobe. If not, you can cancel and you don't have to pay any money. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like